Hello Choro-Q collectors, what you're looking at is a 1985 Isuzu Gemini, the second generation Gemini. I've been quite happy with this toy here. The 3D printed wheels really help it out. But I am going to upgrade today. So today we have this one. Let's take a look. It is a ChoroQ Shop Special from 2004. And let's see, Standard Collection 04. Interesting, there's actually a separate sticker there. So the box was mislabeled or something. Let's open this guy up and see what makes this so special over that yellow one. Some nice little plastic to protect the paint. Not the most suave looking vehicle, but you know, I'm sure it got many people from here to there. Alright, interesting hubcaps on those photographs. Alright, let's take a closer look at this guy. So it seems to have a gold metallic paint job here. Nice speckling. It's running some BBS style rims. It's got some really tight door handle panel gaps, all that stuff. This black molding on the side is well done. It does have a reflector bump, but no actual paint on it, so that's not too special. The badge is nice though, this old Isuzu badge. And then the grille is painted black, the headlights are painted silver. No additional paint in these lights down here or the grille, but the black does carry across the molding here on the bumper. So it does have printed on wiper blades. That's not on the other one. And then, yeah, the gold looks good. This side has a fuel filler. Everything else looks alright. The back, red taillights, and there's some panel lines in the taillights as well. Alright, nothing else there. Shop Pack, QShop Pack 2004. I don't think I've ever seen anything say that before. This might be my first one. Screw here, tab there. There's a clear exhaust tip part of the base. Alright. So looking at these, yeah, so the yellow one doesn't have silver paint on the badge either. But the headlights and the grille are details there. The yellow one doesn't have the black printing for the molding. But I kind of like that. You know, it's fine by me to not have it. Taillights are the same. So, it seems like the only differences are you get wiper blades, a little silver for the badge, and then you get the black printed for the molding, printing for the molding, and then you have the BBS wheels. This may have come with just standard 5-spoke Choro-Q wheels. So it's definitely better than this one as far as the amount of work detail goes. But not too much, you know, because you can add silver paint with a marker very easily to that. And for me, I actually prefer the non-black molding on the sides. Okay, so if this thing actually had all this stuff here painted, then I could definitely see it being worth more money. Granted, I don't even know how much either of these cost when they're brand new. You can see the lowering of this. Okay, well, the question now is, do I keep these wheels on here? Would it look better with these wheels? I don't know, a gold car with white wheels. For me, it doesn't ring well with me. I just don't see many gold cars with white wheels. Do you? Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'm liking that. Maybe I can find some other ones. I thought about some more. I'm just going to leave it the way it is, because I kind of like both of them. I thought at first I was going to sell the yellow one off, but I kind of like the look of this. I also noticed that some of these metallics, sometimes the clear coat cracks. You see the trunk? It's okay from this view, but what you'll notice as I turn it, right there, you can see a bunch of lines on this half of the trunk. And I think that's the clear coat. There's some cracks in it or something. it's a little more easy to see with my own eyes versus the camera. I'm not seeing it through the camera screen so much, but to the naked eye, I can see a lot of cracks here. It's nowhere else. It's not on the front of the roof. I have seen it in a very few other ChoroQs though. But with the yellow paint, I don't know if there's cracks or not. I can't see anything, so I think I'm just going to keep both, a stock and a modified one. I don't have too many other Isuzus. I have 3 more I'll show. I have this Isuzu Bellet GTR, and I have some Hot Wheels Real Riders swapped over on that guy. I think that one looks cool that way. I do have this Isuzu Bellet police car. Just added a little black paint to the wheels there. And then this last one is a Isuzu 117 Coupe. So that's my Isuzu collection in cartoon form. Alright. Let's get this guy spinning on its own. So as we went over, some extra details on this one compared to that yellow one. I might add some paint details later to the grille and those turn signals up front, and maybe some black paint in those mesh wheels. But other than that, even without the extra paint, I think it looks pretty nice. So I appreciate you checking this out. I'll see you in the next ChoroQ review. See you later. Bye.